Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Now, I'm going to show you how I completed a hot glue gun wig in 30 minutes. Yes, y'all, 30 minutes. The hair that I'm going to be using is from DYHair777. I'm using some of their kinky curly hair in 12-inch. I am using 3 bundles, but I do believe that you're going to need 4 just because you want to space the tracks close together so that they don't show. So I'm just going to use a regular hot glue gun, y'all. I think I got this for a few dollars at Walmart. You're just going to use some of the mini sticks that goes into it, some scissors, as well as a dome cap. Now the dome cap I'm going to be using is extra large because y'all got a big head. So I'm using the extra large dome cap. Now I am going to put a plastic bag under the actual cap so that my glue won't stick to my actual mannequin head. You're just going to go 360 around the entire head, and you're just going to keep going around in circles and keep gluing it down. Now y'all, I just have to say, with this hot glue, it does dry pretty quickly, so you just want to make sure that you're going in small sections. With me, I did small sections and I did some large sections just because this isn't my first hot glue gun wig that I made. But with the hot glue gun wig, you are able to wash it. It holds up a lot better than actual regular hair glue. And then of course, it's not as secure as a wig that you would sew, but it still gets the job done. It's still great. I mean, the hair is still reusable. I'm just going to show you towards the end all of the white spots that you see. I'm going to show you towards the end how to go ahead and cover that up. And I'm also going to show you how I styled this hair towards the end of this video. So y'all just want to stick around. I'm about to speed this up in a little bit because I know it's going a little too slow. Now, when you get to this section here, I did not close it off as good as I should have. So I definitely advise you to do a close knit close off, so basically you won't be able to see the tracks. So basically what I did, I just placed the tracks front and back so that I can close it off. And then as you can see, I went ahead with some mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean the wig up so that you won't see the actual hot glue that's on the wig, because it leaves like this white residue, and around the area where you're closing it off, you just don't want that to be visible. So that's what I use. And then you're also going to see that I use a spray bottle with water as well as some leave-in conditioner by Garnier Fructis. And as you can see, this is the finished look. I am absolutely in love with this wig. You can rock this wig with no leave out like you see me doing right now. I wouldn't advise you to do it that way. This is kind of like a wig that you can wear with a little bit of hair left out for a cute protective style. You can pop this bad boy on and off. You can wash it. You can style it in different styles. You can straighten this hair because it is virgin hair. You can pretty much do anything to it. You could dye it if you would like. It's just something that is quick and easy that could be done, and that's going to last you at least 6 months. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Also, I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box for this hair.